TPX production process. The sugar syrup of the candy bar is boiled by sugar melting machine and then driven into sugar syrup storage tank for storage by a pump for delivery sugar syrup. Dry cereals are dried in a grain oven and poured into a grain tank, which is automatically fed by a vacuum suction pump into double paddle mixer. The syrup in the sugar storage tank is driven by another syrup pump into double paddle mixer for mixing and processing, and then poured into material disperser for uniform dispersion. The material is then conveyed into single group roller hoppers via elevator. The upper flattened roller, auxiliary roller, and cooling roller are used to squeeze the material into piece candy bars. After entering conveyor belts, the material is pressed into a more compact candy bar through a flattened roller and compacting mechanism. If the product is a double-layer candy bar of Snickers type, compound roller is required. The syrup is pumped in by the pump. The dry cereal are poured into the hopper of the cereal syrup mixer through vacuum suction pump. The candy bars extruded by the group of rollers are laminated together and then sent to the second group of flattening rollers and compaction mechanism by the candy bar line conveyor belt. The whole candy bar then enters the cooling tunnel for cooling treatment. The cooling tunnel cold air provided by the evaporator and the cold water plate under the conveyor belt achieve the cooling effect. Longitudinal cutter cuts the whole candy bar into multiple candy bars, and then the cut candy bar is conveyed by the distribution belt to the conveyor belt of latitudinal machine. Candy bars are cut into individual pieces of candy bar products. The prepared candy bar products are transferred to the conveyor belt of the chocolate enrober machine through 180 degrees turning machine. After the coating is completed, the chocolate coating with uneven thickness is blown evenly through the blowing mouth. Finally, the finished chocolate candy bar products are decorated by the decorating machine and then enters the cooling tunnel of the enrober machine to be finally formed. Finally, the formed chocolate candy bar will enter the tidy and packing machine.